Hey everyone, today I'll be presenting my project on designing digital systems with emotional awareness. So, in today's world, we use digital platforms for many important tasks like banking, healthcare, education, and government services. So, while these systems are designed to be efficient, sometimes they often overlook the emotional experience of users. So, my research focuses on how certain interface designs can create anxiety for users and how designers can develop systems that make people feel more comfortable and confident. So, going for the overview, technology has become an essential part of our daily lives, as we know. So, we rely on digital systems to complete these important tasks like checking bank accounts, registering for university courses, or accessing healthcare information. So, most of these systems are designed to prioritize the speed of completing the task and the efficiency. So, however, these often fail to consider how users feel while interacting with them. So when systems are confusing or overwhelming, users may feel stressed or anxious. So this research explores how digital design can affect users' emotional experience. So why this research matters? Many digital interfaces include design elements that can unintentionally create user anxiety. So, for example, urgent notifications, countdown timers, and strict deadlines or complicated dashboards can create pressure for users. So, unclear error messages or technical languages can also make users feel confused or frustrated. So, these elements are usually designed to improve efficiency, but they may negatively affect the user's emotional experience. So, this research focuses on identifying which interface components commonly create anxiety and understanding why they affect users in their way. So research questions, this study aims to answer the several important questions. So firstly, it explores how common interface elements such as alerts, warnings, notifications, and deadlines influence user anxiety levels. Another question looks at whether emotional reactions can be observed or measured during usability testing. The research also considers how cultural differences might affect how users interpret digital systems. And finally, the study examines how or which design patterns help reduce anxiety and improve the user confidence when interacting with digital interfaces. And for the methodology, for to conduct this research, I mainly use a literature based research method. So which means reviewing existing studies from fields as HCI, psychology, and UX design. So these studies provide insights into how users emotionally respond to different interface designs by analyzing previous research. I will also identify common patterns that influence user anxiety. So this study will also compare findings across different digital systems, including all the healthcare, banking, and university portals or websites. So the design strategies or patterns that can reduce anxiety. So research shows that certain design strategies can help reduce anxiety and improve the user experience. Like for example, systems that provide clear instructions and supportive feedback helps users feel more confident. Simple and consistent navigation also makes it easier for users to understand how a system works, and allowing flexible time frames and showing progress indicators can reduce pressures during tasks. In addition, clear visual organizations and consistent layouts help the users guide through the interface in a more comfortable way. So my expected outcomes of this research is to identify design elements that commonly increase anxiety in the digital systems. So at the same time, the study will also highlight design strategies that help the users to feel more confident and supported while interacting with the digital systems. So another goal is to show that emotional experience should be considered as an important part of usability testing. Like by understanding how users feel during interactions, designers can build digital systems that are more user friendly, supportive, and even emotionally aware. So, to the conclusion, digital systems should not only focus on functionality and efficiency, but also on the emotional experience of users. When users feel confused, rushed, or pressured, it can affect negatively their ability to complete tasks and trust the system. So designing emotionally supportive interfaces can improve the user satisfaction, engagement, and long-term use also. By considering emotional factors in design, developers and designers can create digital systems that are not only effective but also user-centered. Thank you.